former Dimension Data executives contest court ruling in high-stakes appeal. In a recent development that has stirred the South African business community, former executives from Dimension Data have lodged an application for leave to appeal against a court ruling that has sparked widespread debate and controversy. The case revolves around the sale of the BE campus property, a transaction that has come under scrutiny for its compliance and ethical standings. According to statements from the involved executives, their decision to appeal is deeply rooted in what they describe as unjust and unfair findings by the initial judgment. They emphatically assert their resolve to clarify these points through due legal processes, disassociating from any alleged misconduct. The intricacies of the case highlight the complexities of Black economic empowerment transactions. In 2019, the campus property was strategically sold to a subsidiary controlled by Ms. Sonia de Bruyn, a noted Black female executive with significant BE credentials. This move was part of a broader strategy by NTT, the parent company of Dimension Data, aiming to enhance their BE score in South Africa, a critical factor for business operations and reputation in the country. Executives argue that the transaction, approved at fair value, was not only legitimate but also beneficial in terms of BEE enhancement. It facilitated wealth creation and operational cost reduction while adhering to the stipulated codes and the need for significant Black female ownership. Amidst these assertions, the ruling against the executives came as a shock to many, drawing criticism and raising questions about the interpretation of correspondence related to the deals, particularly an email that has been pivotal in the court's prior decisions. The executives have vehemently refuted any allegations of dishonesty or secretive agendas linked to these communications, stating their long-standing commitment to transformation and empowerment throughout their tenure at Dimension Data. As the appeal process is set to commence, the business community, along with legal observers, are keenly watching the developments. The outcome of this appeal could not only influence the personal futures of the involved executives, but also set a significant precedent for how BEE transactions and corporate governance issues are handled in South Africa's judicial system. This case also underscores a broader discussion about corporate responsibility and the meticulousness required in upholding BEE objectives without compromising ethical standards. It brings to the fore the pivotal role of judicial oversight in maintaining corporate transparency and accountability in complex transactions that have deep socioeconomic implications. Thank you for choosing Satori News.